Something unusual during a discussion about Tesla's next-gen platform has been hinted.
Can have whatever they want from a good... it's going to be amazing.
And left the rest hanging. That single remark only appears when Tesla is preparing hardware changes that are already validated on the production line. But today, those new features finally surface with clarity via some recent internal leaks. What Tesla quietly built into the Model 2 challenges how compact EVs handle cargo, utility, and cost. This video will make clear about 5 all-new features hidden behind the design that shift the rules and all without raising the price. We also point out how each of these 5 all-new features works, and how amazingly they will benefit us. Stick around, and if you want to help this channel reach 15,179 subscribers, tap subscribe as if you're activating a new Tesla feature. One clean action, and it's done. 1. Collapsible rear storage system maximize cargo flexibility. As of now, you can expand your trunk on demand after shopping runs. This is not about folding seats. This is mechanical engineering at its finest. A system that transforms the limited cargo space of a compact EV into a flexible workspace, almost like a toolbox unfolding into a pickup bed. Tesla's collapsible rear storage system is designed to give you real freedom in how you carry what matters, solving storage problems that older compact cars simply cannot handle. The system activates either via manual levers or a simple app command. Rear seats fold flat at 90-degree hinges while floor panels slide outward on guided rails, doubling cargo volume from 15 cubic feet to 30 cubic feet in under 10 seconds. Integrated modular compartments use snap-in dividers rated for 50 pounds each, holding items securely with anti-slip surfaces that prevent shifts during sharp turns, making long drives across Texas highways safer and more practical. Inside, lightweight aluminum alloys ensure durability while consuming zero battery power, so your range remains unaffected. In real-world terms, this system can carry 10 standard grocery bags instead of 5, or 4 medium suitcases. For California retirees, this could save $150 annually on delivery fees and extra store visits. Engineering tests also show that better load distribution reduces vehicle wear by 20%. To put it in context, compact EVs typically offer 40% less cargo than traditional sedans according to EPA averages. Tesla's collapsible system bridges that gap, cutting rental truck needs by up to 50% for occasional hauls in urban areas like New York. Every panel and hinge is engineered with precision tolerances under 0.02 inches, ensuring smooth, reliable operation without tools and avoiding the common jamming problems found in older fold-down systems. In high-density Florida communities, that precision translates to stress-free access and maximum utility without compromise. The freedom to load up without hassle feels liberating. It turns your car into an extension of your efficient lifestyle, solving storage challenges with surprising ease. How often have you found yourself frustrated, squeezing groceries, luggage, or weekend gear into a tiny trunk? Comment below which item you struggle with most, and whether this kind of system would make your life easier. If you're impressed with this solution, type "I like" to show your agreement. 2. How can a built-in charging dock help drivers earn extra income? What if safe charger sharing could offset your electricity bills effortlessly? That's exactly what Tesla built into the Model 2. The dock integrates directly into the vehicle's port, with built-in metering hardware that tracks kilowatt-hour usage at 1 Hz, sampling neighbors, or authorized users gain access via QR code or through Tesla's network, and billing happens automatically at local rates. No external setups, no manual accounting. Software encryption ensures output never exceeds 7 kilowatts, preventing overloads while crediting your account through Tesla's ecosystem. The operation is highly efficient. Embedded chips draw less than 0.1% of the battery, and the dock works with standard home outlets. Advanced bidirectional capabilities allow energy to flow back to the grid during peak hours. In practice, a typical daily sharing of 20 kilowatt hours can generate $200 to $300 annually in credits. For households in Florida with variable rates, this can cut net electricity costs by 25%, while strengthening neighborhood ties, all without installation headaches. In high-demand areas like New York, unused charging capacity wasted by 12% of EV owners can be recovered, adding up to an estimated $250 per year. Metering accuracy reaches 99% thanks to precision current sensors, superior to aftermarket adapters, and it integrates seamlessly with home solar setups common in Texas. And while your car can now earn money standing still, Tesla isn't done innovating. Next, we'll explore how a weatherproof fold-out utility tray enhances outdoor utility, giving your Model 2 functionality far beyond conventional compact EVs. 3. How does a weatherproof fold-out utility tray enhance outdoor utility? Have you ever needed a quick spot to organize tools or prep items on the road? Tesla's weatherproof fold-out utility tray is engineered as part of the vehicle body, not glued on, making it stable, legal, and genuinely built for utility. This is designed to perform reliably, wherever your day takes you. The tray deploys by folding out the rear bumper and trunk lid on hydraulic-assisted hinges, creating a 4x2-foot flat surface. Weather seals resist water ingress up to an IP65 rating, while the materials withstand heat up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Rated for 150 pounds via reinforced composites, the tray includes edge guards to prevent items from sliding off and folds back in 5 seconds without tools. Setup is instant via manual pull tabs, with no electrical components to fail, ensuring reliable operation in rain-prone New York or humid Florida. In real-world use, this tray supports handyman tasks, saving $120 annually on workbench rentals or tailgate setups for 10 to 15 people, cutting event costs by 30%. It weighs under 10 pounds, adding versatility without burdening the vehicle. Outdoor utility features typically reduce setup time by 40% in compact vehicles. Tesla's tray brings that efficiency to EVs, avoiding $200 in accessory purchases for California drivers. Material tensile strength exceeds 500 megapascals, outperforming plastic alternatives by 25%, ensuring durability against cracks in mixed weather, from Texas heat to coastal humidity, without compromising aerodynamics. That versatility clicks as a game changer, doesn't it? It's the kind of tool-like reliability that elevates routine tasks, leaving you thrilled with a car that adapts to your active life. Comment below with tailgate, tools, or outdoor to show which way you'd use this tray most, and let us know if this solves your practical needs. 4. Why is the ultra-low-cost maintenance mode a budget breakthrough? Tesla has designed the Model 2 from day one to keep maintenance costs ultra-low. Every component, every connection, and every module is engineered to minimize labor and maximize longevity. The ultra-low-cost maintenance mode activates through the Tesla app, scanning components with onboard diagnostics at 500 Hz to detect even minor issues. It guides you through replacements of modular parts like suspension arms or brake pads in just 20 to 30 minutes. The app provides augmented reality overlays for step-by-step instructions compatible with roadside technicians, while standardized connectors allow easy swaps without specialized tools. Plug-and-play modules include auto-calibration firmware, cutting labor costs to under $50 per fix, compared to the industry average of $200. In practical terms, this mode can save $500 yearly on repairs while extending component life by 20 degrees Fahrenheit through proactive alerts. Downtime is minimized, a critical advantage for busy Florida lifestyles. Even considering that EVs typically cost 30 degrees Fahrenheit less to maintain than gas cars, the Model 2's approach amplifies savings to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, amounting to an estimated $5,000 over 10 years for Texas drivers with high-mileage precision torque specifications under 50 Newton-meters. Make access user-friendly, eliminating complex disassembly and debunking the myth that EV maintenance is costly or complicated. a reassurance particularly valuable for independent retirees in New York 5. How does the convertible cargo and passenger flip system replace the need for a cargo van? Not just folding seats, but seats engineered to form lockable flat panels, rated for cargo, with built-in tie-down tracks. Tesla's convertible cargo and passenger flip system is designed to turn a compact 4-passenger EV into a cargo powerhouse without adding a second vehicle. This is practical engineering that changes how you approach storage, hauling, and everyday errands. The system flips rear seats upward on dual-axis hinges and slides panels to lock securely in place, converting the cabin from 4-passenger to full cargo mode in just 15 seconds. Mechanical latches provide security without drawing battery power, maintaining efficiency. Lockable panels support up to 200 pounds distributed, and a quick-release mechanism allows instant reversibility. Simple lever pulls initiate operation, while sensors confirm panels are correctly positioned before drive mode engages, ensuring safety and reliability on every trip. In real-world use, this setup carries large items like bicycles, saving $80 per trip on rentals, or accommodates weekly shopping loads, reducing the need for extra vehicles by 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Front seats remain ergonomic for 2 adults, even on long drives through Texas highways. Versatile seating typically boosts utility scores by 35 degrees Fahrenheit in compact vehicles. Tesla's flip system takes this further, potentially cutting storage unit needs by $300 annually for residents in space-tight New York apartments. This is how Tesla is proving that a compact EV can deliver flexibility, utility, and cost savings that previously required multiple vehicles or expensive accessories. It's precise engineering, transforming everyday challenges into practical advantages. If you've been surprised by any of these features, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay ahead of Tesla's latest breakthroughs. Share which feature impressed you most in the comments because your insight could spark ideas for thousands of fellow viewers. Thanks for watching.